everyone and welcome back to my video. This is Mike Dagyop, and for today's video we have a new appliance which is the LG washing machine. This is a 7.5 kilogram top load inverter washing machine. Originally we planned on buying an 8 kilogram top load inverter washing machine from LG, but unfortunately in SM they only have 7.5 kilograms, 7.5 kg sized washing machines, because the price difference between the two is just very little, but unfortunately they do not have an 8 kilogram. Depending on the availability of the sizes of washing machines that you can get. Online you can get a variety of sizes or kilograms for either a front load or top load washing machines, but for SM we only have this 7.5 kilograms, and this is what we can only afford. So let's now do the unboxing. Now, because of this plastic, we will have to tap on the washing machine's body to remove the remaining static coming from removing the plastic cover of the washing machine. This is the LG 7.5 inverter top load washing machine. First things first, you have here your warranty card and the washing machine's manual. Everything is listed in here on how to operate this washing machine, especially for new users of the washing machine. It will be a bit finicky in how to operate this one, especially that there are a lot of buttons and options to choose from. So there are a few accessories inside the tub. This is your included water hose. This goes at the back of the washing machine. Later I'll show it to you. This one has an adapter here, so I guess this is about more than a meter in length. So this part here goes under the washing machine. The washing machine bottom part is exposed, and since we'll be placing this one outside, this is important not to get any rats, mice, or any other small creatures to go inside, which they may bite a wire or two, which could affect the performance or the overall washing machine itself. It also comes with a screw to lock this one in place. This is your drain pipe. This can be extended, and that's all what's inside the tub and all of its accessories. Now, one of the many things that many of the washing machine or top load washing machines right now has adopted is its hydraulic soft close function. So if you were in a hurry, you don't need to worry about the glass shattering from a sudden close. So this is the inside of the tub here. So here, this is where we put our liquid detergent. There's no dedicated maybe fabric conditioner, but there is a certain area where we can put fabric conditioner. This area here, this small depression here on this washing machine, this is for CL, stands for chlorine or bleach. This is where you place it. I don't know if you can see this, but this is where the area you have to place your fabric conditioner. And inside here, this is the filter. So this blue part here, this is your filter. This filters out any dirt and lints coming from your clothes, and this should be cleansed after you have used the washing machine. If you are used to LG's washing machines, or you are not new anymore to washing machines that are operated this way, then you can just skip this part of the video. I'll be putting timestamps. But if you are new to washing machines, or maybe not new, you already have a existing washing machine, those manual types, and for this is fully digital, and you might have trouble operating this, especially that there are so many options which to choose from. So I'll try to explain this one at the best of my knowledge and how to operate this, and just a few basics. But anyway, everything is provided in the manual, or you can, this is soil level, you have heavy and light. You can also interpret soil level is how dirty your clothes are. If your clothes are not dirty enough or just slightly dirty, You can just put it on light, but by default this is on light. The beeper here, this every time you press on different buttons, there's always a beep to tell you that you have transitioned or moved to another setting. So the beeper here, you can set this one to low. In quiet environments, you can always set this one to low, but by default this is set to high. Since we're placing this one outside, we will be putting this one on high. You have here water level, 6 being the highest and 1 being the lowest water level. So you also have wash here. This is on how long, this is in minutes. This is on how long the wash cycle begins and ends. So you have 3, 6, 10, 15, 18, and 25 minutes. Next is the rinse. And you have 1, 2, and 3 times of rinse. You can have 1 or 2, but I think 2 is pretty good. Here's the spin. This will wring out all of the water or excess water after all of the wash cycles. So you have low, mid, and high. Then you have program here. You have normal, you have wool. This is for thick, very thick clothing or fabric. And then you have duvet and school care. School care here, this is perfect for those school uniforms and PEs. Then we also have the program 2 here. This is normal. It has a pre-wash function, quick wash, eco save, and tub clean. So tub clean here, you can only use this once a month. This is a general cleaning of the whole tub itself, and this is mandatory to be only used once a month. Then you have here your eco save. This is only useful if you're saving on water, but if not, this will not affect the total electricity cost or consumption. You have here your play and pause. Once you have set everything that you need on your wash cycles, then tap on play or pause. Pause is to stop the wash cycles. Play if you want to resume it. Also, we have a delay here. This is a delay on when to start, like a countdown timer of when the wash cycle will start. So let's say you're cooking on something, you're doing something else, and you want to start the wash cycle, let's say 1 hour or 2 hours after you're doing your work. So this is kind of useful, but for us, we're not going to use delays. Near the power button, you have here Smart Diagnosis. This is an application from LG where you can download and check any defects and check its overall health. So we have a 10-year warranty for this washing machine. So since this is inverter, you can save up to 40% of power consumption. So that's most of the features and functionalities of this washing machine. So this is the external look of the washing machine. You have a handle here. On the other side, the handle is on the other side as well, not here. And then at the back you have here, so this is your power outlet. This is a US plug. Then you have here your water input. This is your water outlet. So as you can see here, there is a plastic layer. This is just the base of the packaging of this washing machine, and it states here that do not assemble this to the washing machine. So this is just part of the packaging. This is the reason why LG has included this cover at the bottom, because everything is so exposed from the inside. You have here your motor, your tub, and everything is exposed. And since we're putting this one outside, we don't want any mice or rats or any other insects or larger insects that will not fit in the grills to go inside and destroy the washing machine. Now it states here up, so I believe this goes, it faces somewhere here. So this part here that says up, this will be facing to the motor and the tub itself. Also, there are latches here. This will fit in right here. So it just slides in through. Need some wiggle a bit. Just push it. There you go. And just to remind you, this part here does not have a screw hole, only here. So this is where we will attach the screws. There you go. Not too tight. We don't want to break things since the bottom part is plastic, including this one. This is just to secure this part here, this grill. So the front feet here, the two ones, can actually be adjusted if you'd like this to lean a bit at its back. There you go. You can loosen it and add a little bit of height on the front and lean it slightly to the back. It really depends on the elevation or the floor elevation you have. If it's not even, you can use this to balance the washing machine. So for the input or water input for its dedicated hose, we will add this, just thread this one in. There you go. So this is also adjustable depending on where the source of your water is. Maybe it's on the left side or on the right side or down or maybe up. That really depends. Now for its drainage, we don't need to thread anything. It doesn't have a threading, but it just needs to be pushed in. So you need a lot of force. Push this one in. Make sure that it goes all the way in. So make sure that you push it right in. It needs a lot of force. There. Now we will have to set this one up outside. So now we will be using soil level at heavy for these bed sheets. We have some pillowcases here. Cycle is over and now it's dumping all of that dirty water. Now for the rinse cycle. Okay then, rinse it. Oh, dude. It's nearly dry. It's still damp, but it's nearly dry. Wow. Now, drying this one makes it easier right now. Wow. I'm amazed. Now, lastly, we will have to remove this filter. We will have to clean this. So every time you finish the wash cycle or your laundry, you need to clean this because this is where all of the dirt and lint is trapped. Oh, there was a lot of lint and dirt. You can use a pressurized, no, not pressurized, but you can use water hose, or just any normal water to clean off those lint and dirt. There you go. I have removed this from the cover. And we'll just have to agitate this. We'll get another water. There you go, it's clean. And we'll put this one back in the tub or in the drum.